Hey, what's up, guys? This is Matthew here, the hybrid, the designer, and developer. I am so tired. What I was busy with. I'm designing my own website. It's going to be for an application. It's going to be a SaaS, software as a service. I'm kickstarting an idea that I left a long time ago, creating an accounting system, just like QuickBooks, Zero, and Sage accounting. Okay, the reason why I'm saying I am tired, I have been learning a new thing, obviously not from now, but some time ago. There is this new library called Shadcn. Shadcn. It's a very interesting library for creating some sort of more like a copy and paste of React component. As you can see, this is what they have in their documentation or in their website, and also you can toggle between light and dark theme. As you can see, all of these things are available for you to customize. Very, very interesting concept and reusable component. But the problem is I have searched in YouTube and took long time trying to get a course that explains in details about shared CN UI. Okay. This is my thoughts on documentation in general. The only documentation that I have found to be at least more detail or well explained, it's React. React's documentation is in details, and it has got all the pieces and the bits and pieces that you will need in order for you to get going with React detail. Most frameworks and libraries, when I'm getting into the documentation, maybe because of my lack of experience, I don't know what a documentation is supposed to be. But most documentations are lightweight. Okay, they are more kind of follow me principles. It's like they show you a code snippet and they tell you this is how you copy and paste. The rest, it looks like you have to figure it out. Okay. Maybe you might have experienced this thing, or maybe you've been better than me. You quickly understood this UI library. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to give you and break it down the details about this library, the things that what can I say, are left on you to discover, the things that I've struggled with this UI library. Okay, what have I done with it? Okay, let me just quickly show you. I have implemented the light and dark theme. Okay, I have implemented the light and dark theme using Shadcn. Let's go back to dark, and also as you can see here. Okay, I have implemented this dialog box. Then you can do whatever that you want to do here, and then you can come out of it. What else? Let's quickly go to my website. This is my website. I'm Matthew Msengati, the hybrid, the designer, and a developer. If you might be interested in contacting me one-on-one, you want to know or you want to ask anything about whatever that I'm going to say, you can contact me here. Also, this is Shadcn. You can supply your name and your email and contact me. So this is a 10-hour coaching course. This is where I teach you what you want to know. I always tailor made a course based on your own unique challenges, your own pain point, instead of a 10-hour course that doesn't solve your own problem. So if you might want to ask me anything about these things, please feel free. So this is also what I did with Shadcn. Okay. So when you look on YouTube trying to understand the library, for me it has been difficult. Okay. The YouTube tutorials, they will just do exactly what is here. Follow these steps and that's it. Believe me, there is more to it than just these steps. Okay. Let me just give you a practical example. How can you like improve your skill on Shadcn? Okay, they give you some details here on how you're supposed to do things. There's a lot of details here. Let's say check here, checkbox. We are going to get into details into how this works and how can you use it. Okay. But as I was using it, I was interested in creating reusable component, of which that's what React is all about. And I would like to believe the entire programming or development community, it's all about that. That's why we have design patterns. Okay, just look at how I have customized Shadcn, so that it can be easier for me to switch between components. Okay, this is a certain type of a component. It's a dialog. Let me show you here. Where is the dialog? This is a dialog. Okay, when you click here, this is what it shows. Okay, and also beside the dialog, there is a popover. Okay, this is a popover. Okay, so I have customized Shadcn such that I can easily switch from a popover to a dialog. Okay, so now at the moment, this is a dialog, as you can see. Okay, this is a dialog, as you can see. Then let's go to a code. I'm going to show you how do I switch from this dialog to a popover. Okay, let me just go up here to check what name did I use for my own customized popover. I'm going to copy this, and then from then I'm just going to replace my dialog with popover. As you can see, I've replaced it. If you come here and refresh, now this is not a dialog, this is a popover. As you can see that my entire screen is not blurred. In case you've missed it, let's just go back. Okay, now this is a dialog. Let's see what a dialog looks like. Refresh. As you can see, this is a dialog. Okay, if you've been searching, believe me, this is not this simple when it comes to this documentation. Okay, this documentation doesn't supply you much. It's more like a copy and paste. Now when you get into practically wanting to use and customize this framework, it becomes a mission and a half. And obviously in YouTube uh, coders or developers, they just follow this documentation and that is it. So in this video, I'm going to dive deep into Shadcn, the concept about it. What are the things that you need to know beforehand? What's the technique, and also how to really use this documentation. If this sounds interesting, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button so that you can be notified with this whole course. So in this course, I am going to give you everything in details with practical. I'm Matthew Msingati, the hybrid, the designer and developer. See you on the next one.